recognize right off the box. T7 is not plug and play. Okay, you need to format this in the Mac iOS, otherwise it will not work with your iPad Air. This will not work straight out of the box with your iPad. You definitely need to format it first, and that the YouTube reviewer doesn't review it to you. So it's not plug and play. You need to format this, otherwise it will not work. So it's very compact. It works, yeah. The lights on. You can see that. The lights turn on, but let me get an SD card and see what happens. Hopefully this way is the right way. It didn't tell you on the card which way is the right way. So you gotta plug in, see what happens. So when I first plug it in, it will recognize it. Go to my photos. See Lumix right there in the middle. Lumix. Okay. And these are the photos that are in my SD card. It's not the best navigation wise with this kind of setup. It's not a file system. So it's not, you can select all and you have to tap on each one. Select, import all or import selected. I want to import it. Okay, you can go to that, select, unselect, pretty cool. But then there's no shortcut to say, hey, select all, you have to touch it. Which is alright, not too bad, no? It's an iPad. But yeah, what I'm annoying is this one here. This iPad I have here is only 64 gig. So one project like this, it will run out of space straight away. My SD card, one SD card is 32 gig, already half an hour of 4K footage, and it will not recognize. I have to, every time I do a project, I have to delete everything. There's no backup. Now since I have this, I'm supposed to back it up from here and work with LumaFusion from this, but no, you gotta format it first, otherwise out of the box it will not recognize straight away. So somehow you gotta know a friend, gotta go to the Apple store. Hopefully they can do, you know, external their computer hard drive. Yeah, but definitely not happy with my purchase. Not happy. This one, I'm pretty sure it will recognize in an Apple or Android device for sure. Now this is my Android device. Plug it in. Will it recognize? It does. Samsung and Samsung perfectly recognized. So Android, my files there, Samsung Android, Samsung Mac. There's a Mac there. How come it doesn't recognize? Unable to open file. There's a Mac in there, so it must be the iPad, because this one here has the inbuilt execution file that can actually read from here, but it's the iPad iOS system that somehow doesn't read it. So let me try that again. Out of the box, I haven't formatted anything yet, so SD card is good. Boom. Recognize. I didn't say anywhere say Samsung. Yes, I don't know. So when you first buy this, make sure you have an Apple somewhere, okay? So you can format this drive, or you know a friend that can format the drive. Otherwise, you can't use it straight out of the box. Okay. My name is Travis. Thanks for watching this far. But that's the two basic accessories that you need for your iPad Air. Must have. But with this, make sure you format it first, otherwise it will not recognize. Okay. Please share this video around if you have your friend that's thinking about the Samsung. Make sure he knows that he doesn't have to do another extra step to get it working. Okay. Yeah, this is Travis. Thanks for watching this far. If you like what you hear and see, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps me make more content like this for you guys. Alright, I'll see you next time.